Going on, guys? Looking at XRP this morning. XRP USD, Bitstamp data, tradingview.com. Looks like the resistance is still in play here at 37,620. Go ahead, watch yesterday's video. I talk about the different levels that are on the chart you see right now. 37,620 was one of those levels we were looking for price to find support. That is right here where my arrow is pointing. As you can tell, where the price closed, could not quite get above that level, and that area still acts as current resistance. Big range yesterday, couldn't quite make it. Today, a little bit follow through here to the downside, definitely taking more of a follow to the rest of the market as well as Bitcoin. On the downside, we have a support level at 34,071. So far, that is come into play as support as the price hit that level and has bounced higher. Who knows where we'll close today, but right now we are back down to this level, this 34 cent as support. We are still within this bigger range here, this big basing structure, and so far our breakout has failed and we cannot get above that level yet. Now, sometimes you'll get something like what we see right here, and you'll get a very strong reaction in the opposite direction, breaking out. We'll see if that happens or not, but currently resistance 37,620, and right now 5:30 in the morning on the 19th of September, back at support at 34,071. Let me go to a smaller time frame real quick. You can see here that in yesterday's video, the price tried to find support multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times at 37,620. Couldn't do it. Had a nice rally, actually made a new high, got above our next level of resistance, which is at 38,760. And then you put in that double top, and then they crushed the market after that. As you can tell, the market headed lower. So currently from, let's see here, that high to the low, basically a 14% drop. Now, on the opposite end of that is we have support down here at an important level so far. Doesn't mean it's going to hold. 34,071. You can see support came in here. Market rallied, pulled back, rallied, pulled back. Doesn't look very strong to me. Looks like we might get another break to the downside, but so far we are finding support at one of our price levels. So that is the 3-minute time frame. So quick recap here, what to look for moving forward. Well, close to the market currently is you got 34 cents. If that holds and we start to rally, then you want to see a break above 37 cents and then so on and so forth. That's to the upside. To the downside, if we don't hold this 34,071, we're heading lower. We're probably heading straight to 32. So that's the next level. And then below that, you have 31 and 30 different potential areas of support. We'll see what happens. We're still within a larger basing structure here. Let's see here, basically right there. So we're still within this big, long, sideways basing structure and waiting for a breakout. And a breakout will come with support showing up at one of the levels that we have listed. So maybe it's here at 34,071. And then you'll look for a breakout above this range, breaking out above these most recent highs, and so on. Markets look pretty ugly though today, so doesn't look like that's going to come. It was looking like XRP was decoupling from Bitcoin, And then it looks like today it's actually back in sync with it. So I'm watching 34 cents. If that breaks, I'm watching 32 cents. To the downside, to the upside, if we rally, I'm watching 37 cents, 38, 40, and so on. If you have not yet subscribed, guys, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join us here on the channel, interact in the comments, hit the thumbs up. Helps the channel, appreciate it. We are going to put out a Casper video as Casper is getting crushed currently and share some of my thoughts there. All right, guys, keep your eye on 34 cents. Look for support to show up there. 34071. All right, take it easy.